Hi, I'm Bob. I have an interview scheduled at 10 a.m.
Welcome back. Please take a seat. The interviewer will be with you shortly.
Thank you. Good morning, ma'am.
You're both right.
Ano mo?
Take a seat. Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Raya. You look so pretty today. I like your outfit. Thank you. I'm excited to meet you. Take a seat. Now, tell me about the challenge series. We had a five-minute hackathon. I organized my team and we did it. It's the greatest. Collaboration is working here. How do you ensure effective teamwork?
I prioritize clear communication and make sure everyone feels heard. Is collaboration challenge for your team?
Good question. Yes, it is. It is something we're working. Let's start from me. Do you have any questions?
Yes. What are the company challenges are facing right now?
Great question. We're focusing on improving efficiency and communication.
Thanks. That sounds like an opportunity for growth.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sorry, I'm late.
Please take a seat. Is everything okay? You're late. You're scheduled for this interview is 10 a.m. Is everything okay?
So traffic.
So,
Sorry.
let's proceed. Okay. Can you tell me about your previous job?
Oh, my last boss was terrible and totally clueless and the workplace was a mess.
Okay, let's proceed to the next one. In this role, we validate work. So,
Teamwork? Oh, I'm great at that. Let me tell you about this.
wait. Can you please let me finish? I see. So you're proficient at advanced Excel techniques.
Of course, I use them all the time.
Alright. Great. Let's fix this problem. What motivates you at work?
Honestly, I've been stressed lately. Personal stuff, financial struggle is been all.
Alright. Let's get back to the topic, alright? What do you know about our company?
I think you do tech stuff.
Alright, let's continue. Do you have any more questions?
Not really.